Let's get to know sea animals. Crab. This animal has strong claws. Squid. This animal has very thick ink. Octopus. This animal has big eyes. Whale. Whales are one of the largest types of animals in the world that dominate the ocean. Jellyfish. This animal has 4 tentacles that can sting. Dolphins. This animal is a carnivore, which is friendly and docile to humans. Seahorse. This animal only has one partner in its entire life. Starfish. Starfish survive 28 hours out of water. Sea lions. Sea lions reproduce viviparously. This animal is included in the mammal group. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.